I'm here in Grand Teton National Park, which has been absolutely freaking gorgeous. I'm going to make garlic noodles, because why not make the most fragrant possible thing when you're deep in bear country? We are deep in bear country, as you can tell by this bear locker behind me. Normally you keep all of your food, anything that has any kind of scent whatsoever, in there when you're staying in an area like this because of bears, oh my. What we're going to do is bring up some water to normal, boiling heat. Cook them the way you would normally cook any of these noodles. It's going to be al dente though, because we don't want them to be super soft when they go into the frying pan. I'm going to use the normal dehydrated crappy camping noodles that everyone does, but I think everyone uses them in the sort of soup form. These make good for a stir fry as well, and although I much prefer fresh noodles if possible, they don't weigh that much more, and they're not, okay, they're more expensive and they do weigh more, but they're so much better to use them. But since we're really trying to focus on camping and utility for this one, I'm going to use these guys. Another thing with those noodles, which is really great, I suggest getting a bag of this. It's dehydrated veggies. Like in the styrofoam cup noodles, you get like the little dehydrated corn and peas and all that. You can just buy like a whole bag full of said dehydrated veggies. They're kind of awesome and handy. And you can also turn like that soup with those noodles into a meal by just, bring along a can of pre-cooked chicken, throw that in there with it, and it can become a much more substantial meal very quickly with very easy, storable, goods. Okay, just cook the noodles according to the packet directions. It's like 3 minutes in boiling water, not super complicated. All right, we're gonna heat up some sesame oil while that's going and add a ridiculous amount of garlic. If you think it's too much, that's probably not enough. I think this is like 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. They were little cloves, so. All right, the garlic is nice and toasty. The noodles are pretty good. I don't want them to overcook. Now I got these guys, I'm just gonna transfer them in. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this very low on ingredients. Half stick of butter. Yes, that is too much butter. I agree. You could cut down the amount of butter, to be fair. Next, I am using a packet of soy sauce because I wanted to, again, keep this to as minimal ingredients as possible. So this could practically be done as a backpacking meal if you really wanted to. And then 1 packet of sugar. I'm using sugar in the raw. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use half the packet. I'm going to put in a little squirt of sriracha, a little black pepper, I'm going to keep this moving. Now there's other stuff you can put in here. A lot of recipes you'll see online for garlic noodles include Parmesan cheese, which is also very easy to carry in a little, packet. You chop up some green onions, maybe some cabbage, any sort of veggies could go in this. But again, I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible and just give you another way to use these ubiquitous noodles that isn't the, the same old, same old. All right, let's eat. All right, now for the taste test. I actually cut down the butter a little. I think only a 1/4 stick of butter would be enough. But good. Oh God. Oh, that's good. Keep in mind, I'm just doing this as a base. So many other things you could put in here. Meat, shrimp would be good. Oh, anything. But it's really good. And the best thing about solo camping, no one complains about garlic breath. Georgia doesn't, but her breath is already way worse than mine, so seriously, awesome. So simple, so easy. Oh, nice.